Dragonfly quilt patterns capture the delicate beauty of nature in fabric form. These elegant designs symbolize transformation and grace, making them perfect for quilters who want to bring a touch of natural wonder to their creations. Dragonflies have become popular motifs in quilting because of their distinctive shape and the flowing lines of their wings. These patterns work beautifully for wall hangings, throws, or full-size quilts, adding a whimsical yet timeless element to any quilting collection. If you're looking to add a dragonfly design to your quilting repertoire without spending money, there are excellent free options available. Our top free pick is the Dragonfly block pattern, which offers instructions for creating either a 6-inch or 12-inch block. This versatile pattern includes step-by-step guidance with detailed diagrams, making it accessible for quilters of all skill levels. The design highlights the delicate wings and body of the dragonfly, and using vibrant fabrics can really bring this nature-inspired motif to life. Next is the Go Dragonflies and Daisies Table Topper by Heidi Pridemore. Measures 32 inches square and combines dragonflies with daisies for a warm, inviting autumn design. Dragonfly quilt patterns offer a wonderful way to celebrate nature's beauty in your fabric creations. Their graceful wings and symbolic meaning make them special additions to any quilting project. These patterns allow you to experiment with colors, techniques, and layouts that reflect your personal style. Take on the challenge and let your creativity soar with these rewarding patterns that are as enjoyable to make as they are to admire. For even more inspiration, visit ilovequiltingforever.com to explore a wider collection of dragonfly quilt patterns.